Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show icon make on the keyboard on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know what icon make on the keyboard's for, so yeah, basically icon make on the keyboard, it means a voice typing feature that allow you to enter text using your voice instead of typing on the keyboard. It's a speech-to-text feature that can save time and effort, especially when typing is difficult or you prefer to speaking. And how to show it off is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can show your own keyboard first. And then to add icon make, now you can go to settings menu. And then after that, now you can go to voice typing like this. And then you can turn it on the feature guys. And then after that, the icon make will display on your keyboard like this. And then you can use it for voice typing instead of typing on the keyboard, and it make it easier for us to typing. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.